Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to an affiliate program where you can get 60% commission. Yes, you heard it right. It is 60% commission. That is like most of the money. They're just going to give it to you. To know more about this affiliate program, make sure you watch this video till the end. Before we jump into this video, just wanted to welcome you to our Yarn internship program to get more videos on these kind of affiliate programs and to know more about how to make money online or to know more about online jobs and to get a career guidance program. This is a free internship program where we help to evolve self-sustainable skills to the youth through the online platforms. And our aim is to help 1 lakh students achieve this before 2025, and this is a silver jubilee year of IPSR. Once you join this program, here you will get project guidance from our experienced digital marketing team. You just have to fill in the form below to apply to this internship. You may check out the first link in the description to know more about this program. So this is the affiliate program that I am talking about. It is called hostinger.in. This is the Indian version of the website. You might have seen ads about this on YouTube, or you might have seen ads about this on Google or on social medias like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn or Twitter. So it is a well-known company. This is a web hosting company, and what we are going to be doing is we are going to be promoting web hosting. We are going to be an affiliate with this and we are going to be promoting their product. For that, we are going to be getting a 60% commission. Okay, now for those of you who don't know what web hosting is, so in order for a website to run on the internet online, you need to host a website. So that is what web hosting company will do for you. So we need to pay a particular amount of pricing every single month for our website to run. So business people or companies, they want their website to be out there on the internet. So they just reach companies like Hostinger, HostGator and all, and they reach out to them and they buy their hosting package. So we are the affiliates and we are going to sign up to this affiliate program and become an affiliate with them. And we are going to be promoting this particular product to other people who want their business website to be out there on the internet. So when you promote this product to them, so whenever they buy it, you're going to be getting a commission for that. That is a 60% commission. So let's just scroll down and see how much they are charging for web hosting. They have like 3 different packages: single, premium and business. So single is like 59 rupees per month and premium is 119 rupees per month and business is 259 rupees per month. Usually business people, they buy this package in bulk for a year or maybe for 2 years or maybe for 5 years. So according to the amount they purchase, you will be getting a 60% commission on that. So just imagine how much money it will be. Comparing to Amazon affiliate programs where they give 2% or 3% of the commission, and here they are giving 60% of the commission. Okay, now to become an affiliate with this, just scroll down to the bottom of the page and you will find this affiliate program. Just click on that and it will direct you to affiliates page. Joining the program is really easy. It's a 4-step easy process. Here you can see that you can do instant sign up, you can track your performance, you will get affiliate banners to promote and you will get payout, that is 60% of the commission. Just click on become an affiliate and sign up with that and you can start promoting this. You can just click on this partner sign up button and sign up to become an affiliate and then log into your account and promote it. Now the next question is how to promote. Okay, to learn more about different ways of promoting and to learn more about these kind of activities and also to know more about the free ways of promoting it, you can join a free internship program and we are here to guide you. To get more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.